The equal constraint forces two or more sketch elements to have the same size. If you edit one element, the other updates automatically. Let's start with two lines of different length. Select both lines, then click the Equal Constraint tool. The two lines now have exactly the same length. If I change the length of one of the line, the other line updates automatically to match it. Now let's draw two circles with different sizes. Select both circles, then apply the Equal Constraint. The circles now have the same radius. If I change the size of one circle, the other circle changes automatically. The Equal Constraint helps keep your sketches consistent. Instead of adding the same dimensions multiple times, you only need to dimension one element. Next, we'll learn how to use the Angle Constraint.